everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers. And what I'm here for today is to go ahead and announce my 200 subscriber giveaway. What I'm doing is I'm going to give away, this is what I'm giving away. I'll show you the contents in just a second. But what the requirements will be is to be a subscriber, like this video, and share this video wherever, on YouTube, you know, any social media, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Just share this video and and put a comment below as far as where you shared it. And then this is the only video I'll do about the giveaway. I'm not going to do a reminder because last time I did a reminder and then I had to take names from 2 videos. So this time it's just going to be this one video, and then I'll do the comment generator and pick a winner from the comments under this video. So this will be it. It will be open for, I'm not quite at 200. I think I need about 7 or 8 more. So it will be open either until next Saturday, not this Saturday, but next Saturday at 10 p.m. I'll do the drawing, and if I'm not at 200, I'll just wait and do the video when, you know, the actual giveaway video when I reach 200. But hopefully that won't be a problem. And I'm going to give away this for this 200 subscriber giveaway. And then I have a little something over here on the side that I'll show you in a second, that if I get to, let's say, 225 subscribers, I'll have a second little giveaway, which is just a little, you know, bonus kind of little giveaway. So this is what's going to be the giveaway for the 200 subscriber giveaway. And what it is a kit from Studio Calico. And what you get is this pouch. This is a really nice kind of thick plastic zipper pouch that comes with all the kits. Sometimes they're different patterns, but there's always usually a little zipper pouch that everything comes in the Studio Calico kit, at least the Traveler's Notebook kit. That's the one I got here. So that pouch, and then you're going to get this is the January Traveler's Notebook that came from Studio Calico in the January subscription kit, or the January kit, whatever. If you went online and bought it in January, this is what you would get. So the Traveler's Notebook is this. It's a standard size, 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, and I'll just flip through the pages real quick. You can do whatever you want with this. You can make it your own as far as inserting your memories and pictures in here. You can take it apart like I've done. It just has 2 staples right here. You could take it apart and use the pages in your other junk journals. You can just rearrange the pages and put it back together, either staple it or sew it, you know, pamphlet stitch it. So, you know, just you know, here's the middle, and so there's a lot of room to write in here if you just want to use it like as a journal, and a lot of, you know, pretty pages. You can add pages to it and then put it back together, or take some out, use some somewhere else, put some in here. I've done that with a few that I've put in my Etsy shop, so I think I've got a couple more left in there. But that's the Traveler's Notebook. This is a little, I might not open this. Let me see if I can get it open quick. But this is a little pack of washi tape. It's yellow, and it's a little hard to get out. Yeah, it is hard to get out. But it's thin washi tape. It's a roll of thin washi tape, and it's yellow. If you can see it up in there, maybe. I don't want to blur the camera, but yeah, that's washi tape. This is a little package of acetate circles. There's like a graph pattern, little patterns and plain ones, but they're this like 1.5 inch size acetate circles, and there's some little tiny ones in there too. So several of those in that pack. There's a stamp set here, and it's kind of like a planner stamp set. It says AM, PM. It has some words and some shapes here. And, you know, so a really nice little stamp set there. And to use wherever, you know, in any of your projects. Now, in these little packs here, they put 2 sheets each of whatever's in here. So, like if you could see through the bag, there's some alphabet stickers in here, and there's 2 sheets in there. 2 sheets of these little circles and shapes. 2 sheets of these. They look like, these are really cool. They look like, I believe these are the ones that look like the outline is like jagged, so they look like postage stamps. They're not stamps. You can see they have words and pictures on them and just colors, but they have the stamp edge around, and these are all stickers. There's 2 of those. And then this one here, you can see there's little banners and circles and things with patterns and shapes. So really cool bunch of things to use in your crafting or your journals or planners. And so that will be the 200 subscriber giveaway. And then if I get to, what did I say, 225, you're going to get, at 225, I'll do a separate little drawing just to celebrate 225. And this is, I won't take this out either because I think you can see it through the plastic pretty well. But this is a little, sorry about the glare, but it's a pretty little zipper pouch. It's got like a turquoise-ish zipper right here, and then these are sparkly stars on this. So really cute little zipper pouch that I will send to someone if I do that separate 225 subscriber giveaway. So I thought that was just a fun little bonus, you know, just a little something extra there. And so, like I said, I don't think I'll put all the requirements so I don't have to repeat and make this video longer, but I'll put it underneath this video and just, you know, enter, and we'll see. I wanted to go ahead and do it because I was so excited to go ahead and do a giveaway that I wanted to, even though I'm not at 200, just go ahead and do the video and put it out there and have some fun with this. So thank you all for subscribing, and, you know, thank you to the subscribers that I have and my future subscribers that I'll hopefully have when I get done with this giveaway. And if I get higher than 225, who knows, I might do another surprise little giveaway at 250. And then if I get to 300, which, you know, I'm an optimistic kind of glass half full kind of girl, or whatever, you know, positive thinking. If I happen to get to 300, I'll have another like packed big giveaway at 300 if I get to 300 before this Saturday, not this Saturday, but the next Saturday actual giveaway. So I hope that was clear. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.